the early mornings, the anticipation, and the sudden tug of a line, for the uncontrollable laughter, the shared thrills, and core memories that stick, for the sharing of knowledge, the passing down of skills, and the hard-fought wins that make everything worthwhile. We were built for this. For 80 years now, we've been building the toughest, most durable aluminum boats on the water. Boats designed, engineered, and innovated to maximize comfort and control, minimize drag, and leave others in their wake.